Hi YouTubers, it's a week before Christmas and just shifting my vehicles around. Show you my Dodge 6.1 Hemi. Bought it in Dallas, Texas. Drove it around the Gulf of Mexico, put it on the ship in Georgia. Load that big old Hemi up. There she is, big bad boy. 6-speed manual. We got her up around 500 horsepower. Mega fuel consumption. She does about 30 to the gallon. Amazing. Next up we got 67 Chevelle 396 big block, which we took a 2-speed power glide transmission out of and put a 5-speed T5 Borg Warner gearbox in it. We have a little problem. I can't keep ring gears on it and starter drives. We've been through about 4 starter drives and we're on the 2nd ring gear. We have a tooth missing on the ring gear at the moment. Be grateful if any of you Chevy aficionados could perhaps put me on the right direction as to why. I have the timing set a little advanced and maybe kicking back as when starting it, maybe that did it, but it's knocked one tooth clean off, and of course now the transmission's got to come out again to repair it, so that's a pain. Next we got 68 Cougar. I just pulled it out of the dusty shed, so it's not looking its best right now. But .302. Yeah, she's a little dusty under there too. Probably haven't driven it for a year or so. Nice set of wheels on it. Nice body. Last but not least, the Mach 1. 351 Cleveland, 4 on the floor, 1973. on them too much. Anyway, probably won't be posting much more now before Christmas. So, wish all you guys that follow my channel a happy Christmas and prosperous New Year. COVID-free, hopefully. Bye. We've found a use for the 57 Kenworth this festive season.